say to you that we are not the church of God.
The true church, the original church is the true church. And that is the only and the one and only true church. The original church that was established by our Lord Jesus Christ, preached by the apostles, and their news and their preaching have reached the Philippines, our country, by the Bible. So we believe in that true church. We are not the true church. We are not the true church.
Hindi kami yun. Hindi kami yun. Kasi nasa Biblia yon 2,000 years ago. Para magbasa ka ngayon sa Biblia, sabihin mo, kayo yan, mali. Bakit? Basahin natin ang 20:28 ng Gawa.
Ingatan ninyo ang inyong sarili at ang buong kawan na sa kanila'y ginawa kayo ng Espiritu Santo na mga obispo.
Hindi kami yun. Hindi kami yun. Say to you that we are not the church of God.